In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off your controller when playing Steam games on your PC. This is a handy feature for those of us who love gaming with the comfort of a controller, but want to make sure the battery life is preserved when we're done playing. So, let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to open your Steam application on your computer. This is your hub for all things gaming, where you'll have quick access to both your library and the Steam store. If you're not already logged in, you'll want to do that next. Simply click on the login button located in the upper right hand corner of the window. Once you've clicked on login, you'll be prompted to enter your account name and password. It's always best to ensure your account information is secure and to remember these details as you'll need them to access your games. After entering your credentials, go ahead and hit the sign in button. You should find yourself on your Steam homepage, where you can see your friends who are online, explore game updates and more. Now that you're logged in, look to the top left hand corner of the screen where you'll find the main menu bar. Here you need to click on the word Steam. This is your portal to a myriad of options and settings that can greatly enhance your gaming experience. After you click on Steam, a drop down menu will appear. From here, select Settings. The Settings menu is crucial as it allows you to customize and optimize your gaming setup according to your needs and preferences. Within the Settings menu, you'll notice various tabs on the side. Navigate to the one labeled Controller. This section is designed to manage all controller settings and ensure smooth gameplay. It's especially useful if you frequently switch between games that may have different control schemes. The key step is to enable the option that says turn off controllers when exiting big picture mode. By doing this, you're instructing Steam to automatically shut down your controller when you exit this mode. Big picture mode is a full screen interface within Steam designed for use with a TV and a controller. Enabling this setting ensures you're not wasting any precious battery life once you're done gaming and close out of the big picture interface. With this setting enabled, your controller will automatically turn off, saving you the hassle of manually switching it off, which is great for conserving battery life and maintaining the longevity of your controller. And there you have it, you've now learned how to efficiently manage your controller power settings when playing games through Steam on your PC. This simple tweak not only helps preserve the battery life of your controller, but also adds a layer of convenience to your gaming sessions. Happy gaming!